Now, similar to duplicate sales transactions, duplicate expense transactions are a result of not matching bill payments with the cash leaving the bank account. This will lead to overstating your expenses, which will understate your net income. This is once again an issue that will make accurate budgeting impossible and will make qualifying for a loan a bigger headache than it already is. Now, the first step is to determine if this is happening to you. Once again, we're going to go to the profit and loss. Now, in this example, we're going to be dealing with job supplies. So we're going to jump into our job supplies. And as you can see, we have two transactions for the same amount, an expense and a bill. Okay, so now just like with the duplicate sales transaction, we are going to try to trace back to an online banking match from our source document, like a bill or an invoice. So we're going to jump into our bill and we're going to follow back our payment. Okay, and as you can see, we do not have an online banking match. So just like we did earlier, our next step is we're going to jump into the expense. You can see this is an expense that was added straight from the bank feed. So just like with the bank deposit in the last example, it is okay to delete these because they're just going to end up back into the bank feed. You don't ever want to delete a bill or an invoice because then you're going to have to recreate those transactions. So we're going to delete the expense. We have our bill here alone in the job supplies account, what we want to see. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the bank feed. Okay, and there you can see QuickBooks is trying to match up the bill payment to the same amount that is leaving the bank account. Once again, if it doesn't automatically show up for you, you can try to find other records, expand your date range. We're going to go ahead and hit save. We're going to match the transaction. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the profit and loss. We're going to go into our job supplies account and trace back our bill to our bill payment and find our online banking match. And there you can see. So now we have matched the $1,500 leaving our bank account to the bill payment, which is linked to our bill. And that is how you fix duplicate expense transactions in QuickBooks Online.